Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. Today, I want to discuss financial reporting. Lately, I've been hearing many questions such as, what does this number mean? Why is it negative? I've been meeting with bookkeepers and business owners regarding their finances, and we've been taking a deep dive into numbers. Most of us did not major in accounting, but we still can understand some basic accounting concepts. And what I want to discuss today is about financial reporting. What other reports you need to run other than your financial statements? Financial reports are created by transactions. Someone or you enter those transactions into your accounting system. So those transactions could come from your bank. They could be a check, a deposit, a journal entry, an invoice, or a bill created in your accounting system. All of those transactions roll up into reports. And those reports are broken out into different, categories. And most of the time, we're all familiar with the financial statements. However, in order to really understand your finances, you need to run additional reports. So if you're looking at your profit and loss statement and you don't know what that number means, most likely you need to run another report. I call these reports managing reports. These are reports that should be run either on a weekly or a bi-weekly basis before you close out the month. So today, I want to discuss how to peel back those numbers on your financial reports, peeling it just like an onion. So the first report you need to run is your accounts receivable report. Your accounts receivable report lists out those who owe you. So these are customers that owe you money. And you want to make sure it looks reasonable. You want to make sure that the invoices are being cleared. So for instance, if you know you went to the bank and deposited checks, you need to know the following week your accounts receivable report should show those invoices paid and they should not be listed. Accounts payable report is another managing report. That lists out individuals that you owe. So these are vendors. These are your bills. Similar to the accounts receivable, make sure it looks reasonable. Make sure that the bills are being cleared. And they get cleared by when you issue out a check or you process maybe by credit card. The next report that you want to run is your general ledger. Your general ledger is just like your personal check register. The general ledger lists out every single transaction in your accounting system, whether that be a journal entry, a deposit, a bill, or invoice. So if you are ever in doubt and you want to know why supplies is this particular amount, if you go to the general ledger, it will list out every transaction for each account. Another good report that you should run is your expenses by vendor summary. Good report to run at the end of the year. This details how much you spent for a particular vendor. Another report you should be running is your sales by customer or project. This is key to understanding your revenue. If you want to know why revenue is high or low, or you didn't meet a certain margin, look at that report. It will actually list out by customer how much revenue was generated by customer or even project. So as I stated before, we're not all accountants, but if you understand just basic accounting concepts and then understand what reports you need for your business, reviewing your financial statements will come much, much easily for you. So I challenge you to actually look at your accounts receivable and accounts payable report. And I'll give you a hint. There should be no negative numbers on these reports. Make sure it looks reasonable and make sure that items are being cleared off. As we know, we all want to have a peace of mind with our finances. But the key is we do have to understand some basic accounting concepts. And one of those concepts is how our financial reports are created. They are created in the accounting software. So next time you're looking at your financial statements, ask yourself, did I peel back the onion? Make sure you like our page, Inside Financial Group. Until next time.